In this video, I will show you how to download all your Snapchat memories in one download. First, you need to log into your Snapchat account using a desktop or laptop computer. Once you are logged in, click on your profile icon on the left side. Then select Account Settings. Next, select My Data. This will take you to the Data menu area. As you can see, I have already initiated a download here. When you first get here, you will want to toggle the Export Memories option. Doing this will also prompt Snapchat to give you the quick process of exporting memories only by clicking on the blue button. However, if you want to export other stuff such as shared stories and chat media, you will need to toggle it manually. Once you are done, click on Next. Here you will need to choose the date range. Just go ahead and select All Time. Make sure the email is the one you want them to send to. Once that is confirmed, click on Submit. Snapchat will start exporting your memories. An email will be sent to the one you listed. Go to your email and look for the Snapchat one. Then click on the Click Here hyperlink, and it will take you directly back to the download area with the export ready. Then click on Download, and you will be able to access your memories from your Downloads folder. Just extract it